Welcome back. I had the opportunity to catch the Spider-Man Brand New Day at Golden Village VivoCity before its official release on 30th July 2026. I arrived at VivoCity early and decided to have dinner before heading upstairs to the cinema. It had been ages since I last watched a movie in the theatre, so it was nice to be back. VivoCity is massive compared to most other shopping malls, so I spent some time exploring a few floors before finally making my way to the cinema. For dinner, I grabbed a meal from Burger King before joining the crowd. It was a few months ago that I last visited VivoCity, and I noticed that there is such a huge crowd of diners, especially on a weekday evening. That's quite a surprise. Maybe that is because the Harbourfront Centre is closed, and the crowd actually come over to VivoCity instead. When I reached the cinema, there were already two long queues formed. Thanks to SIMBA Telecom for this invitation to this special movie screening. I queued for about 20 minutes before collecting my movie ticket and a goodie bag filled with popcorn, Coca-Cola, Spider-Man stickers, and a mug, and other Spider-Man souvenirs. The movie started at around 8:45 p.m. and the atmosphere was fantastic, with plenty of excited Marvel fans waiting to enjoy the show together. After watching Spider-Man Brand New Day, I found it to be an entertaining and action-packed superhero film. At about 2 hours and 25 minutes, the movie maintains a good pace, balancing thrilling action sequences with enough time to develop its story and characters. One of the highlights for me was the introduction of a mysterious girl with mind-controlling abilities, who uses her power to manipulate formidable allies, including the Hawk, as well as an army of red-clad ninjas to hunt down Spider-Man. This setup leads to several intense and memorable action scenes throughout the film. My favorite sequence was the CGI showdown between the Spider-Man and the Red Ninjas. It was fast, fluid, and visually spectacular, with Spider-Man's acrobatic web swinging and quick reflexes taking center stage. The visual effects were impressive and made the battle of one of the film's standout moments. Overall, I really enjoy Spider-Man Brand New Day. It delivers an exciting mix of action, suspense, humor, and eye-catching visual effects. Whether you are a long-time Spider-Man fan or simply enjoy Marvel movies, I think it's well worth watching on the big screen. A big thank you once again to SIMBA Telecom for the invitation and awesome movie experience. By the way, SIMBA Telecom is holding an NDP top-up offer and also a $16 recharge plan for 500GB to use across China, South Korea and Japan. Do check out the links in the description box for more details. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.